Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change marker shape in Excel. Select the marker, right click mouse, go to format data series, color, select marker options, see this line, you select marker, okay, add marker, click marker options, non-automatic bullet, select bullet in bullet type and change your shape. Okay, or you change the image, edit your image as you wish. I select this icon for round shape. Okay, size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.